Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to clear watch history in TikTok. So we are in profile and then you see menu, so click on it, and then you see setting and privacy option, so again click on it. So we are in setting and privacy section and then you see multiple option. Now you see activity center, so click on it. So we are in activity center and then you see watch history, so again click on it. So we are going to remove or clear all watch history. Now you see filter by date. If you want you can select this, so it's up to you, or if you want you can delete all. Now on top you see select option, so click on it. So we are going to delete all and then you see select all watch history. Now enable this option. Now select all and then click on delete. Now you see delete watch history from the past 180 days. Click on delete button. Now you see all watch history deleted in TikTok. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.